Okay, I have these risers here for my heavy duty furniture. I like it because it gives my big cats somewhere to be and they don't have to be so low. And look, that gives them a better view of the window. It puts them up at the level of the window so they don't have to be able, they don't have to scratch up. Before the risers, let me show you what they used to do to my window. They used to scratch my window. So now this puts it at the level, you see, puts it at the level they need to be. I'm able to open my drawers without hitting any of my cats. I have everything. See that she's getting ready to go under. They love it. And it's also easier for me to grab anything. And it feels sturdy on my carpet. Good for my, look at this. Perfect. Look, she's not bending down too low. She's able to go in there and be, she could sit there. I love how these risers, and I know it's going to be secure. Them, nothing's going to happen to my cats. My bad. It comes not only with 5, it comes with 6 in total. So for that extra support, let's say you have a king size bed, you have the 2 middle legs in the middle, and you have the 4 on the side. This is really good. If you can see, look at how awesome, look at the gripping it has. You feel the little bit of, you feel it here. It feels soft. It's not going to damage your carpet or your floor because of the weight it is. Right here, this is good. And I love that. Let's say you're not using them, you could stack them up together.